Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I will tell you how can you write a program to check a number is palindrome or not using while loop in Python. But before starting, I want you all to please access this playlist and start watching in series. So let's back to topic. So first we have to take a number to check it is palindrome or not. So I have written here n equals to int input enter a number, and then I have written here original equals to n. So in original I am making a copy of entered number so that I can check in the last, and then I am declaring here a variable name rev which is used to store remainder, and then while n is greater than 0 means if number is greater than 0 the condition will check. So what's the condition? Digit equals to n modulus 10. So in this digit variable the last digit of number which we have entered is stored, and then in rev we will append digit to reverse number, means in rev we will multiply it by 10 and then adds that digit so that the number can be reversed, and at the last n equals to n floor division 10. So this will remove the last digit and it goes stored to the rev, and then if original equals to rev, so this if condition will check if original number is equals to reverse number or not. So if it is equal, it will print it's a palindrome. If not, it will print not a palindrome. So this is how this program will run. So let's run it. So let us say first I will enter 1 2 3 which is not a palindrome number. So here you can see this is not a palindrome number. So let's run it again, and this time I will enter 1 2 1. So 1 2 1 is a palindrome number. So here you can see 1 2 1 is a palindrome number. It's a palindrome number. So this is how you can write a program in Python to check a number is palindrome or not. Hope this video is helpful for you. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and if you want me to make video on any specific topic, let me know. Thanks for watching.